Okay. Is it windy out? Pete, you know what's in the can here? You know what's in there? What that is? Oil. The last oil change, Pete.
I was close to that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
Look, there's a big box. Should we open it up?
Yeah. What does it say on there? Doesn't have a picture, huh? I don't know what's in there.
Okay.
What does this down here say?
I don't know.
You can't read yet? Oset. On this edition of This New Old Bike, we're going to try something completely new and different. We're going to dive into the world of electric motorcycles. I've been flying electric model airplanes for years, and it only makes sense that motorcycles should be the next thing to go electric, especially small motorcycles. Now, Pete here, where'd you go, Pete? Pete here is going to be the test case for this. Where'd your shoes go, Pete? What bike did you start on first? What was your first bike? The Strider, right?
Strider.
Yeah, and now you're on a pedal bike. Now he's ready for a powered bike, but he's only 3 years old, and he's not quite big enough for a Honda 50 size bike. He can't quite reach the ground. He's a real short guy like Dad. Pete, is that Honda 50 big? Too big? I think the salesman caught you.
Pietro, how are you?
Pete's got something to show you guys. Oset is designed nowadays in the United Kingdom. I think it started here in America by Ian Smith. Ian Smith was a big-time trials rider and producer of DVDs on trials, and wanted to get his kid into riding at a very early age, and found that the Honda 50 was much too big, or similar size gas alternatives, and so he developed this motorcycle. That was back in '04. By 2010, it was a Dirt Bike's Product of the Year. So these are very popular on the market today. Oset electric motorcycles. This is going to be the 12.5 race version. And today we want to do a comprehensive video showing the unboxing, what's in the box, and how to assemble the Oset 12.5 race using exactly the procedures here in the manual. That's the first step. If you're interested in one of these, is get the free manual online, download it into PDF format, and check it out. And you'll see, reading the manual, at least I was very impressed with the quality of the information in that manual. I think it was written by a couple of aviators, because the notes, warnings, and cautions in that manual are straight out of an Air Force -1 manual. So Pete, you want to, let's open the box, huh? Open the box and see what's inside. So Ian's son's name is Oliver Smith, OS. That's how you get the name Oset. Open it up, Pete. Careful of those metal bits. What's in there? What's in there?
It's a box inside a box.
Yes, it is. Okay, I see. Let's see if this box comes out.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Okay. Let's take this box out. Here, take that box, Pete, and set it aside. Yeah, I don't think there's... Yes. What do you see in there, Pete?
Ooh, I think it's the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my very own motorcycle. I can't wait to get on it.
We have to put it together.
Wait, just right. It's like it's Christmas.
Yes, it is. Well, it is pretty much your birthday. Oh, there's the handlebars. That's what's inside this box. Okay.
This is the one. This is the one with the breakers on it.
Mm-hmm. And what's that?
This one moves, and the other one doesn't.
And what happens when you twist this one?
It moves.
It makes the bike go, right? Here's a box full of little parts here. Now you're gonna have to share this with Julianne, and then when you grow out of it, we'll have to sell it. Yeah, but that'll be a while.
I can't believe I got my own motorcycle, but not my own.
Yeah, you're gonna share it. That's right.
Are we always stuck on this?
It's all gone.
Ah. We have the gloves, we have the motorcycle, we have everything.
We have to put it together.
Yeah.
Wow, that is some nice fit and finish on this machine.
I think yours was in a huge box.
Yes.
This one was in a huge box.
Look at that
I
little
have
shock.
like your motorcycles.
Mm-hmm.
It just come down.
Yeah, it just went flop.
There goes the other one.
See if you can pull that one apart, Pete. There you go.
Ta-da!
What do you got there? Nice big foot pegs. Great. Look at this, a real kickstand. Okay. Now, let's take this piece off here.
Okay.
Take this one off, Pete. Yep. See if that comes off. Okay, throw it in the garbage box. Take the plastic off there.
This
Good.
is where we put the handlebar.
That's right. We need a Allen wrench right there. Okay.
Everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
On here. There, and there, and there.
Wow, I like the color too. Wow.
You wish you had a motorcycle like this?
I sure do. You're making me green with envy, Pete. Oh man, I want an electric one of these that's daddy size. I think they got them. Loosen up the 4 Allen heads to the handlebar mount, gooseneck. Nice, lightweight and strong pair of handlebars. Well, this is the first point of adjustment, is setting the handlebars where you want them.
This is really cool. I can't believe I got one on my own. And
But what I want to do is,
it has the keychain on, like a real motorcycle. And it's a real motorcycle.
this is a real motorcycle. This is not a toy. All right, so this is definitely not a Walmart toy.
It's only for real.
Yeah. So swing a leg over that. So you can get a leg. You can stand in between there. There you go. Yeah. Go ahead.
Should I get on it?
Yeah. Get on it.
Look, I can really touch the ground.
Wow. Yeah, you couldn't do that on that Honda, could you?
No, but what is this?
It's an Oset.
Huh.
Yeah.
It's not Honda.
It's not a Honda. Yeah, it's an
But
Oset.
it's still red.
Yeah, it's kind of red like a Honda, huh? Do you like it there?
Hey, there's 2 brakes.
Yeah, right, one for each wheel. Yeah, I kind of like that adjustment, right? I think I'm gonna roll with that for now. start off very slowly.
So Dada, I saw a little boy on a motorcycle on your iPad, and he kicked something like he kicked probably this, like this. On the way back.
Can you put the kickstand down? See the kickstand way back there? Probably not, huh?
What's a kickstand?
You've never had a kickstand before? Like that. Now lean it over on the kickstand.
I never
Okay.
had a kickstand.
Yeah.
It's staying on. I
Wow.
never had kickstand.
That's all there is to it. So basically, just put the handlebars on, and you're good to go. But we're going to review the manual, then we'll go show you all the points of adjustability on here and all the different features of the Oset 12.5 race.
Daddy, what if I had more bike riders and like there was a race and I had this and everybody had a motorcycle and all of the bike riders had helmets and they all had motorcycles.
Well, I know just the place to go see that.
Pioneer Park.
Well, we'll have to go a little further than that, I think.
Where?
But we'll start right there in Pioneer Park. Yeah, you get, that's it. Stand up. That's it. That's the way you're going to ride it, standing up.
So this is how you brake. I wouldn't like going downhill, then I could brake.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really like going downhill.
I think this electric motor is going to help you go slow downhill also. It won't just roll away from you out of control.
But will it go as fast as the other motorcycles?
No. And neither should you. We're going to start very slowly, so you can learn proper technique, unlike Daddy, who just had to learn the hard way. And I learned improper techniques.
Maybe I should just hold on to the bars.
Yep.
Because I can't really...
Be careful.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, let me see both feet on the floor there. Put both feet on the ground.
I can barely touch the ground.
Yeah, go. There you go, ahead of the... Okay, now rock the bike back and forth. Yeah. Good. All right.
Whoa.
Yeah. Now,
It's kind of heavy.
yeah, once you once you get off the motorcycle for a second.
Whoa. It's kind of tricky getting off.
Mm-hmm.
I have like the pinkish or purplish.
You like those colors?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's anodized. Now, if I sit the bike over like this, Pete, carefully without scratching it all up, can you pick it up? Get over here and pick it up on the other side.
It's
Good.
kind of heavy.
Now set it back on its kickstand. Okay, now let's see if we can get back on it. Good. Okay, let's see the front brake. Squeeze the front brake. Good.
Maybe I should just practice right here.
Yes, I think so. We'll get it wired up and started, but we're going to just start on the stand first. And squeeze the rear brake. Yeah, that's the rear brake. Yeah, squeeze that. Good. Okay.
Something just comes out.
Yep, it's adjustable, so we're going to make it so it fits your hands better.
Does this turn on?
Yep.
So you just have to put it down and it
Mhm.
starts?
But we also have to set a key. So let's go look in this other box and see what's in there.
Yeah. Oh, I see an old jet.
Yep.
Jets are coming everywhere out here.
Yeah, that's the Transcon route going back to the Bay Area. Okay, let's go see what's in the other box, Pete.
Yes.
Ah.
Oh, I can't wait to see. I wonder what it is. No, I can't see. What is it?
Oh, let's come over here and see what it is. Open up, see what's in there, Pete.
Well, there's a wire, and there's another box.
Mm-hmm.
We can just slide this one. I think we could. It's kind of
Yes.
hard. Oh, there's something in there. Oh.
Aha.
There's a wire in
Yes. You know what this is?
here.
That's the charger. Now, you see what you plug in to here, Pete? See that? See that wire? Can you plug that wire into here? Not that end, the other end. Yeah, that end's gonna plug into there. Yeah. We'll have to loosen it up a little bit first. Okay. Now there's the manual. Be sure and read all the instructions. Can you read? You just look at the pictures. There's probably a staple in there. And what's in there? There's a manual. Ooh, and some stickers. Ooh, and a number plate. You want to put the number plate on? Yeah. Watch those staples. Don't rip your... Yeah. Owie, huh? Did it get you?
No.
Okay, here.
Be careful about that.
That's the manual. Ooh, you know what that is?
What?
That's the key.
Ooh.
Ooh. What's that?
We need to open it. Oh, it comes with quickers
Yeah,
to
Better-
put on the motorcycle.
better known as zip ties.
Hey, get off on me.
Look at this, all the tools you need
Look,
to
here's
assemble
a
it.
screw.
No, that's a wrench.
Wait.
Uh-huh. Here's the Allen wrenches you need, and an 8mm. So there's all the tools you
Are
need.
these the stickers?
And those are, yeah, what are those? Oh, those go on the rims. Yeah, stickers for the rims. Yeah.
I want stickers.
And here's some more zip ties. Get those zip ties for your, pull those out for your number plate. We should put your name on there. Grab your two zip ties there.
Do they go in here?
Is there more than two? I got lots of zip ties.
Does it go in here?
Yeah, now follow me.
Okay. This is kind of like a little leash.
Like a little leash? Yeah. Okay, so that's going to go on the front of the motorcycle. And I think it's going to go more up here.
Like we put the name on it?
Mm-hmm.
What should we call this motorcycle?
The Oset,
Okay.
I think. I mean, that's the brand name.
So we're gonna hold this on here. So that.
So in the box, you got the motorcycle with the handlebars off of it. Both the wheels were on the motorcycle. Batteries are installed in the motorcycle already. I bought a spare set.
Kickstand was always on the motorcycle.
Yeah. And you get a charger, a manual for the charger, a set of safety keys so that Daddy can hide the keys when I'm not around.
It goes to here. The key goes to here.
It goes right there. an 8 and 10 millimeter wrench, a nice set of Allen wrenches,
That's the
and
only.
an 8 millimeter lug wrench,
This is the only place to put the key.
and a cool set of stickers that go around the rims.
Wait here.
Right here.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Should I open it up?
And that should be everything in the box. So everything you need to get this thing going comes right out of the box. What's that, Pete?
I dreamed of this motorcycle. I dreamed of it.
Okay, looks like these plastic side covers pop right off, and there's the 2 lead acid batteries. We're going to connect these up in series, so 2 12 volts gives you the 24
Where do they go?
volts to run the system. It's called an Oset 12.5 because that's the tire diameter size, but the battery operation is 24 volts. 2 12 volt lead acid batteries in series. It looks like we got to get to it from the other side, Pete. So see, there's the battery. There's the controller right there.
He's just doing that chainsaw again.
And here's where you put the charger, right in here. And we need to fully charge the batteries before we run it.
On the batteries?
Those are packing straps. I think we can take them off. Well, maybe we'll leave them on there. We'll see here.
Maybe if we leave it on, so it won't come off.
Right, so it won't shake around. All right?
Maybe we should just leave it on there.
Okay. Let's take the other side off here. I need 2 hands here. There we go. There. Ba-da-da-da. Okay, there's the 2 lead acid batteries, 12 volts, wired in series for a total of 24 volts.
Now it's on the our side.
Negative, positive, negative, positive. There's the negative, there's the positive. Piece of cake. What's 12 plus 12, Pete?
6.
24.
Maybe this motorcycle could be the number 24.
Number 24, that's a good idea, Pete.
Number 24.
So let's hook up the positive lead.
Now, Dada.
Let's hook up the positive lead first. Here, hold that camera right there, Pete. Hold it real steady.
Daddy, you should put.
Here, get behind it and stand there. Yes.
There should be a picture of 25 right there. Right on there.
On your number plate?
Right.
And let's hook the negative lead up here.
No, you could be done.
Okay. Positive to positive, negative to negative.
Positive, negative.
Black is negative. Uh-huh. Okay.
So sticky.
So Pete, there's one thing, it's electric motorcycle. We cannot wash it with water. We can't put water on it. Because see, this is all electrical.
But you can only put water on yours.
Yes, you can only wipe this down with a rag, no water.
It's electric.
Oh my gosh, that looks about your size, Pete.
Show Mommy.
Is that your size? Is that the charger for it or something?
Yep. Rocket back. Yeah, there you go. On the peg, stand up.
Now make sure you look at where you're going. You don't
Oh,
look
yeah.
at me.
This kind does too.
Oh, you can reach the. Oh my gosh.
And look, I can reach the ground.
Wow. You really can. Whoa, Pete, it's just your size.
Isn't it?
It's kind of ridiculous.
We tried the Honda 50 again at the shop, and there's no way he could touch the ground. But this, and he'll be able to ride this a long time. And then I want to try Julianne on it.
Woo, look at you flip your leg over there. Wait, that's backwards, Pete.
He's already trick riding.
Yeah, so kind of crazy. What's that, in midair right there? Spin, sit, and go flip it over. Is the,
While you're charging the bike, you're looking for a flashing green light on the LED on the charger. When it's fully charged, you'll see a steady
Okay.
green light. Right, Pete? And of course, the charging port plugs in right here with this 90-degree fitting. In the instruction manual, it says make sure your charger is set for your country. So here in the States, 110 volts. Now, the charger that came here with the bike in the States has no switch. But over in Europe, of course, you're going to be running, what, 220 volts? And when you're charging the bike, make sure you have the switch in the off position. Key removed and switch in the off position when charging. Okay. Got the lights. Okay, now we'll need to adjust the 2 volume switches. For maximum speed, we'll turn that way down. That's the knob on the left here. And for throttle response, we'll turn that way down.
Always take 1 day to do it.
Okay, good. Now, let's tighten things up here before, yeah, give it a twist, Pete. Twist it. Twist it. Twist it like you got like it. That's it. Okay, let go for the twist. Okay, throttle up. Throttle up. Yeah, twist it. Now untwist it. Now twist it very slowly, gently. There you go.
That's how we go slow.
That's right.
But if you want to go really fast, you put it all the way back.
Yes, but you don't want to go really fast. You want to start really slow. So try it real slow again.